What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today, man. We're gonna have a few videos going on today, man. But y'all see, my bro Ike done pulled up on me. My bro Cutlass Fuzz is here, man. Y'all
from Baton Rouge, man. I'm trying to get in with the program, man. Y'all go subscribe. And my Instagram, y'all can check my Instagram out too, man. We networking, we linking up, we trying to get this thing off the ground, man. And appreciate the information you dropped on me for us to take my channel to another level and and out, cause everybody not gonna give you that, you know what I'm saying?
Nah, folk be careful with their info, man.
Yeah, so I really appreciate that too. And this your first time meeting me, and at the end of the day, I feel like you're a loyal person and you humble, like you ain't
most definitely, man.
That dude in my yard, all that type.
Nah.
I'm enjoying myself. We out here in Atlanta. What part of Georgia this is?
We're in an undisclosed location. We in Georgia though.
Yeah,
we gonna keep it like that.
I'm enjoying myself out here in Georgia, man. Trying to get this footage, man.
Most definitely, y'all. Look, I got his YouTube on the screen, just went across the screen right now. Cutlass Fuzz. His Instagram just went across the screen. Cutlass Fuzz too. Cutlass _4_us, right?
Right.
It's on screen, but y'all make sure y'all go run him up. This and that, man. Good people. Like, we've been chopping it up. Man, they been here about an hour already, man. Ike down there handling some business or something down there. You know. Yeah, he having some business. He don't walk to the end of the driveway, boy. But y'all know his YouTube on screen too right now, Life with the Ikes. But y'all seen when bro pulled up last time, and we had some fun in the box, took him for a ride in brown coat and all that. But today, I'm gonna take him for a ride in this right here, man. We're gonna take him for a ride in MEECH. So look, they really getting the exclusive car. Only person rode in the car is my wife. But y'all know, like I'm like I said, I ain't going everything it got. I ain't doing that just safety wise, man. Like, car do got a lot of power. I ain't capping y'all about that. So like doing the ride racing is safety first. So probably gonna go first straight to third. You know, I ain't trying to hold no gears out, and I ain't trying to take the RPMs all the way up and all that. Cause just a little bit of pedal, they're gonna be able to feel it. And of course, we on motor and stuff. Y'all know I'm not gonna spray this car ever in the road. But when I get back up here, man, we'll get him on the camera, check in too. So y'all just stay tuned.
living out here, guys.
Yeah,
HP. Huh?
a little AP.
Yeah, a little HP. Got a little HP going on. Lord have mercy.
Just a little bit. That's what I tell y'all, man. This thing want to be ran, it want to be ran wide open, man. I want you to get into it.
I ain't lying, bro. When you mash it, it feel like he just want more and more.
Feel like y'all, you hear it.
Yeah, it's just like he want more and more.
See, it just clear up. Quarter pedal, man. I'm telling y'all, this thing power on demand, man. Like, it really
Hold the gas and I don't have to hold my breath too long.
I ain't got to hold the breath.
Lord have mercy, dog.
Do your thing, though, man.
Bro,
Yeah, man. We gonna have a little fun.
there's some nice houses out here too, bro.
Oh, yeah, most definitely, man. Most definitely. Y'all, that's another thing I told him. I said, hey, we already had to put a little fuel in your car. I told him, but it drank so much gas, so we're gonna do what we need to do and come back.
I ain't lying. He talking about me, y'all. He ain't got no gas.
Hey, look.
He ain't got no gas.
Hey, boy, we be in the same boat.
We in the same boat,
Man,
y'all.
we be in the same boat.
We been in
boy.
corner, but Lord knows we got to get to the closest gas station.
Hey, you don't be doing the same thing, do you?
What?
You don't be out of gas too, do
Oh,
you?
no, I fill up every
Oh,
time.
see,
Yeah, he responsible. He the responsible one.
Yeah, he good.
I ain't got no gas. I ain't lying to you. I ain't got no gas.
Boy, I'm talking
I had to get
real.
some gas before we came up here.
Oh, man. Yeah, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. We about there.
Shot tuned into that.
Yeah. It took
I most definitely got to
They
tune into
gonna
that.
stand up when they go to the track.
Man, it might come out the ground.
Oh, we gonna do that.
Shit. Because it feel like it want to come out the ground while we already rolling.
Alright, y'all, here we go.
Y'all get ready.
Alright, guys.
First gear.
Let's see. Alright, y'all, hold on. I'm trying to hold
Here we
on.
Hey, I like no, we laid one down there.
I know we had to hit 100.
Oh, we hit 100 for sure.
We had to hit 100
For sure. For sure.
Oh my God! Look at that house in that shop, Jay.
So-
Look at that house in that shop.
Oh yeah, it's alright, y'all. Turn around. In second gear right now.
Oh,
37.
serious power, guys.
97 running 41 miles per hour. It wouldn't even pick it up. It went so fast, man. We hit 100.
The phone couldn't even keep up with it,
The
dog.
phone can't keep up with it, man. We hit 100 though.
Yeah, I seen the phone said 90 something miles an hour.
It's on 99 and start going back down.
Dog, Jay said this a badass machine.
Hey, man.
Ah,
Tell
damn.
y'all.
Hey, y'all, I'm cut y'all back on in a minute. God. Jay.
Alright, y'all. We did.
Hey, look, y'all. I'm taking it in, man. Hey, we say JB.
Man, I'm good.
That's all he said, man. Look.
Jay, don't want this.
I don't want to ride nothing fast another month from now. I get back straight.
Another month. That's a month word. You good.
That was too much AC.
Yeah, bucket list.
hey, man. Y'all gotta see what he said on Ike vlog, man. What he said about the bucket lid. It's on there funny. Like y'all gotta look at all three of them cars. It's just three different perspectives, man. It's some entertainment. Just know, man. But we made it back, man, safely. I always say spaceship done landed.
Cuz. That shit crazy.
Hey, what you say about it comparison to brown coat, man, to the truck?
Oh man, that truck a turtle compared to
Yeah, I told y'all what it.
I thought it was running. I ain't gonna lie. But
Hey,
now, I'm straight.
that's why I had to put you in the truck first.
Dog,
Now,
that truck,
what we rode? Now we rode in the truck before the Cutlass. Then you rode in the Cutlass.
Cutlass first, then we rode in the truck.
Yeah. So we stepped it up. So yeah,
Bro.
if he would have rolled in this,
Truck pulling now, don't get me wrong. We went down that road, dog. That little truck moved quick as hell now. It quick.
oh yeah, exactly. It quick.
We were rolling at about 60 miles an hour. And Cuz hit it. Felt like my neck was coming off a little bit. Dog.
Hey,
I felt it in my chest, bro. Like It felt like I was over there hitting the gas pedal.
Hey, see, that was the same thing my wife said too, man. She said the same thing, said she feeling her chest.
Bro, like in the front seat, bro, it just felt like the road was coming so fast. I'm like, God.
Hey.
Mercy. I hope he got some good brakes.
Oh yeah, we gonna stop on the dime. Look, we don't do nothing else, boy. We gonna stop now. Yeah, we got to stop, boy. We got to stop.
Ain't nothing to play with, man.
Nah, man. Hey,
Real
It's all
horsepower.
good to talk about horsepower because me and a couple of my home, we talk about that horsepower, but them numbers mean something different to me.
Bro, that's what I was telling my
yeah, it's different.
homeboy Swag, bro. He was talking about some. He want a car with like 800, 900
Yeah,
horsepower. I'm like, bro, you don't want that.
It sounds good when
He
you
was like,
talking
why
about
you
it.
say that? I'm like, bro, that is dangerous, bro. You do not want that. Seriously, bro.
Yeah.
You wrong about 400, 500. 500 is dangerous to be honest.
Yeah, it is.
I wanted 4 or 5, but now feeling that, I think I want about 3.
Hey, look, that's what I'm saying. 300 feel good, man. 300 feel great.
But listen though, 800 to 900 horsepower in a car,
Man.
bro, that is dangerous.
It is dangerous. Y'all better
500
listen.
is dangerous.
Y'all better listen to Ike, man, for real.
Yeah, you respect them numbers different because we
Bruh.
can talk all day 500, 600. A lot of people throw horsepower numbers around like it's just small, but once you feel it, you be like, "She 1 horsepower
Facts.
out of life."
Facts.
See, if
Yeah,
you go up
yeah.
1, like you gonna respect every number every time you down
Exactly.
something go up numbers.
Anytime
that's
they go past 500, cuz.
Oh, that don't definitely be extreme.
Anytime it go past 500, you like, man. If you don't roll it, I'm put it like this. If you just building you a car and you like, yeah, I'm going for like 800 horsepower, I want at least 750, 800 to the wheel. If you ain't never done that, I wouldn't advise you to do that.
Right.
That just being me.
Yeah, man, you gotta respect
I done been
it.
in cars that done been that fast. I done drove my car, my Scat Pack only like 490 some horsepower. And that car is really dangerous.
Yeah,
It
exactly.
feel
Exactly.
fast as hell.
Exactly.
But if you get in the car that got a real 8,000-9,000 horsepower, cuz you gonna rethink everything you was talking about.
Hey, for real.
a little horsepower. Ain't nothing little about horsepower.
Nah. Hey, man. Hey, that don't
Little horsepower.
hit different, man, for real. Like, that's why I was saying 400 to 500 horsepower will shock more people.
400 to 500.
It'll shock people.
Cause that's all a Scat Pack is.
Yeah.
The Scat Pack is 400-500 horsepower, bro. That's
And
all
see,
a Scat Pack is.
They be ski. That's what I'm saying, man. 400 horsepower is 400 horsepower, man. To the wheel, for
400
real.
horsepower feel like you might think you got 700.
Yeah, boy, I'm talking about feel like you finna
500,
levitate.
You might think you got 700.
Feel like you finna levitate, for real, man.
But boy, when you got a 7, 8, and a 9,
Hey,
you could.
But they got them boys being on 1,000 feet and 1,200. I can just imagine with that.
boy, what?
Crazy.
Man.
They're crazy. That's
Think
a,
about you riding around 1,200 horsepower at your foot. At any time, 1,200 at your foot.
man, that's a,
Overkill.
and that,
It really is, though. Honestly, though, it's overkill if you.
and then that when you get the braking stuff too. It breaks stuff, man.
It comes with it when
Yep.
you got
Yep.
high horsepower. I learned that by watching videos, watching you.
Yep.
When you got a whole lot of power, you just be prepared. You better be prepared to fix something.
Got to. Off top.
If you just finna cruise off, put you something simple together like I did, and we just finna cruise around here now. We just cruise.
Yeah,
We
take
gonna
it
be
easy.
clean, and we gonna cruise.
Crew, that's
around.
it.
But
That's
if you
it.
want to burn you some tire, you better save you some money on the back end.
Hey, he
I'm
ain't
just
lying.
saying now.
He ain't lying.
If you supercharged, you doing all this and that. Everybody that got the baddest car that's tight, supercharged, pro charged, turbo. If you ever just think about it, or follow them on Instagram, you done see they fixing something on that car.
They fixing something. More
They
definitely.
fixing something on that car. I don't
More
care how
definitely.
bad it is.
You got to fix something, man. Like,
You
it's
gotta
just gonna.
fix something now when you're dealing with horsepower.
Y'all seen my I made a video. I said if you make 800 horsepower, something will break, man. That gonna happen for real. Like, it ain't gonna stay together. You gonna tear something up, man. It just come with it. It just come with it, man.
That's one reason why I just always was like, shit, you give me something about a high 400, I'm cool.
I know. I'm
About a
telling
high 400, I'm cool. I'm just be
I
real
used
with
to
you.
holler that 5 and shit.
you. Yeah.
I used to holler that. Nah, I'm good.
I'll tell you, man.
Hey,
Good, 3.
you
Hey,
about
he
350?
said 3.
You know, a hot 3.
Man,
But you talking about all that stuff you done done in that motor you got.
Yeah, but now
you well beyond that.
Yeah,
Look, you already beyond that.
It ain't no way I can set up like a little governor, like two tunes.
He said he said set up a governor.
Yeah, like a
Hey,
governor.
hey, he already beyond that. What he's talking about? He well beyond 300 now.
Bro, that's why I was telling you, bro.
Man,
that's
boy.
why I talked DJ out of doing what he was trying
I'll
to do.
tell you, boy.
Cause
y'all
DJ
see.
was talking about he wanted to do 800-900, he wanted about 850, and then
Shoot,
Wowo
boy.
was talking about he wanted 1,000. I'm like, bro, you don't want this.
Something different.
Why? I'm like, bro, that is dangerous, bro. That
It
car
is
is not gonna, it's dangerous, and for what we trying to do is not gonna be reliable. That just being
Yeah.
it's not gonna be reliable for what we trying to do.
Yeah, that junk ain't
We
reliable
trying
now.
to get on the interstate and ride 45 minutes to this car show, chill, and then ride another 45 minutes or something back.
I don't see that.
I'm worried about if you gonna tap something on the way back.
I'm telling you, you better be putt-putting, boy. That type of, you better be, hey, cause I'm telling y'all, when I drive the car around, that's all I'm doing.
Yeah.
I ain't, for real, like I said, you will, man. You get on there, keep on ramping on in there. You go on the interstate, like you said, you want to zoom, like, you know how you play with your boy and then everybody's there, yeah. You liable to break some of that power, man. You have to be behind the pack. You gotta be behind the pack, cruising.
Hey, I'm at a point in my life where I ain't gotta prove nothing to nobody.
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, they talking about they'll do it at the red light. Nah, I'm holler at you.
You got it. Cause look, you break your junk, they ain't gonna fix it. They ain't gonna fix it.
Finna put in on
No,
this,
they ain't
man.
gonna fix nothing, man. Gonna laugh at you if anything, so I'm like,
Then somebody gonna jump in the comment section. Why you let them talk you into doing it?
yep, exactly. I'm telling you, I ain't doing nothing, man. Like people see me, man, in these cars, they be like, hit it, man. I ain't hitting it for no grown person. You better get your kid to tell me. I hit it for the kid, but I ain't hitting it for no grown man. Don't tell me to hit nothing. I'm gonna slap the side of the car. That's what I'm gonna do.
At the traffic,
Hey.
on cruising the coast about video. It was a little kid. Do a burnout. They had a sign. He was holding a sign. He said, "Do a burnout. If not, you're a sissy." I said, "I'm a big sissy." Hey, they thought it was so funny. I said, "I'm a big sissy, little man."
Yeah.
Rolling.
Hey, ain't nothing going on, man.
On street.
But yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Breaking they car.
We made it back. We made it back, man. Like I said, it's good little ride reaction. I'm finna put this nag up, man. Cover it up. I'm finna cover this nag up, man. We're gonna see whatever we get into. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. And oh, matter of fact, y'all know I got to shout them out, man, cause this is a different video and all that. Well, now this same video. We're gonna get a different video too, though, man. We're gonna get that going and everything. But I already gave y'all their social media. But you know, my boy Ike, man, Life with the Ikes. Then Jay Cutlass for you. So y'all make sure y'all go subscribe, hit them up and all that. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.